Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Snapchats, photo, videos, chat. So basically you can recover anything like those things which were stored in your Snapchat. Remember, you can only recover those things which you have stored in your Snapchat. You cannot recover those things which are deleted from your phone's gallery. It's only for Snapchat, so remember that. So before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow as well, and you guys can get notified once our new video releases because we post this type of video on our channel. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping if you guys also want to recover your Snapchat photos, videos, and chat, because if you skip then you guys might get confused. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So the first thing first, to recover your thing, click on your profile picture over here. Once you click on your profile picture, click on the setting icon over here. Once you're on your setting, you can scroll down until you see my data. See my data over here. As you guys can see, it's on privacy sector, my data. Click on my data. Once you click on my data, it's going to take you to Snapchat's website, and before it takes you to Snapchat's website, you need to enter your username and password to confirm it is you or not, because Snapchat is not going to give data to any random people. So confirm it's you by entering the username and password. So let me do that. So once you come over here, you can scroll down until you see please verify an email address with Snapchat to continue. So if you have already verified an email with your Snapchat, you don't have to do that, but if you haven't, then you can click on verify an email. Now this is important because after verifying your email, it's going to send a request to Snapchat, and then after like 1 or 2 hours, at the most 1 day, Snapchat is going to send you an email from which you can download all the information. So for that, you need to verify an email. So click on verify an email. It's going to show you how you guys can verify your email over here. You can go on your profile screen, tap on it, tap email, add, and tap the field that says email address and enter a valid email address. So go and do that, and after you verify your email, come back to this page and it should work. So let me do that and come back to this page again. So as you guys can see, I've verified my email. After verifying your email, you can go on my data again. So let me go on my data over here. My data over here, as you guys can see, once you come over here, submit request, click on submit request, and a request will be sent to Snapchat using your email. And so as you guys can see, we received the request. Now it's gonna send us a email in 1 or 2 hours, and through which we can download it. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, ask us in the comment. I'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.